Welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is your girl Venice. Today I'm with you again, baby girl. Today I'm a little Barbie. No, let's get serious. So I purchased actually two things from Morphe, so I wanted to unbox it with you guys and see how it looks. Yes, so if today is the first time, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And this is it. This is how it came in. I'm actually gonna open it with you and see. I didn't buy a lot of things because it's actually the second time I'm buying from them. The first time was okay, it was nice. Everybody talks about it, it's good, and I thought, let me spend my coin on the, you know, let me spend some coin and invest in it. So it was on sale, and yeah, it was on sale, and I thought, why not, let me just buy it, see how much it cost me, and yeah, let's take it from there. The delivery was very, very long. I mean, I actually thought at some point that I wasn't gonna get it, I was scammed or something, but it eventually came. They sent me an email saying it's been delayed for some reasons, and it came. They posted it, and I think in a week I got it, but I waited almost a month, if not more. So that was very bad, because I was thinking minimum or maximum was going to be about 2 weeks, and it was more than that. So delivery was very, very long, but eventually it came. So should I say it was worth the waiting? Not sure, I will let you know, but I definitely think so. It was worth the waiting because it's Morphe. Maybe the sales, they had a lot to package and send out, so that took them a bit long. But yeah, this is what it is. Let's move. Tomorrow is another day, so if you want to order when it's on sale, consider that it's gonna take longer than expected. And yeah, so that's what happened to me, and yeah, it came. So that's it. This is the box. I'm gonna open it. So of course my address is here, and yeah, so when you open, you have this paper, like a receipt, I believe, just in case you want to return anything. So I bought one James Charles palette, which I'm in love with, and the James Charles eye set brushes, okay? And yeah, let's see how it looks, because I've never actually spent any money and buy any brushes from Morphe. So let's see. It has this on top, I think, just so that it avoids any breakage or anything. So the brushes, this is how it came in. That is James Charles. Ooh, let me see. That's James Charles. And this is the palette, I believe. Okay, so basically this is it, nothing else. Another rubber bag in there, and yes, these two. So let's see if it's worth it, the price. So this originally was £39, but it was on sale for 20. So I thought, why not? I actually regret not getting the palette. This palette is huge. It looks like a MacBook. It's big. So this is the packaging, and this is how it looks. Actually, they have the names on there, but the names are on this thing here, okay? And this is the colors. See how beautiful. How beautiful is this? I love it. And from what I tried, they are very, very pigmented as well. Very, very pigmented. So yeah, it's worth the price, and it was just £20, so why not, to get a good eyeshadow palette. Is the key, you know, is the key. I'm learning so much lately, and I'm glad I bought it. So yeah, this is it. The back is nothing. I'm putting it back in here. I'm gonna start using it anyway, but actually no, there's no point. Let me put it here because I'm gonna use it anyway. What's the point? And then let's see the brushes. I'm actually very, very curious with the brushes because I need some nice eyeshadow brushes, okay? I really, really need it. So let's see. This is the packaging. I'm opening the box. Ooh, this is how it comes in. Ooh. Let's see. Give me some music. Yeah, play some music for me. So yes, this is it. It's quite a lot of brushes. Let's count them. I think, if I remember well, it was about 12 or 10. Let's see. So this one here has got 3. So I believe you've got some concealer blushes, angle, sporty brush, concealer brush, and camouflage brush. I've never heard of the camouflage brush, but yo, why not? Let's see. And I believe these are the eyeshadow brushes. And then you've got blending crease brush, and then you've got full blending brush. I can't wait to try these 3. So this is how they look. Ooh, I don't know if you can see there. Oh yeah, so this is it. And then you've got, so 3 makes it 6 that I've shown you so far. And then we've got a bunch in here. You're gonna see what they are. So we've got this little brush here, and then you've got another eyeshadow brush, I believe so. This eyeshadow contouring brush, and this is how it looks. I'm in love with it. And then you've got firmed shadow brush again. That's how it looks. And then you've got blending brush again. These are all mini ones. That's what we've seen. We've got eyeliner brush, just this, another blending brush, and then last but not the least, this is another brush, very little. I'm gonna find out what to use this for, but I think I've actually got what we're gonna use this for. So in total, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3 in here, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's a good deal. I think everything was 25 pounds. The brushes were all 25 pounds on sale. I think original price is 55 pounds. This is the 55 pounds original price, but it was on sale, so I grabbed it. And I'm happy I did, because I actually can't wait to try all the brushes in here. So yeah, this was this was my little unboxing Morphe package review. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, if you want to invest in some good brushes, I recommend Morphe. Whenever it's on sale, please grab yours, put your hands on them. If you can afford it on the original price, do so, mate. I don't know your pockets, you don't know mine. I'm trying to save some coins, so I go for the bargain. However, yeah, it's always good to have some good brushes that you know that you spend on them and they're gonna last for that long, and you can chill. Okay, if you love makeup like me, it's essential. So yes, if today is the first time, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.